Are you tired of receiving too many notifications from Facebook games on your PC? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to give game feedback for this issue. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Look for the games icon on the upper bar and give it a click. Step 3. Find the game you're experiencing the notification overload with and click on it. Step 4. From the right menu, locate the three-dot icon and click on it. Step 5. A menu will appear, and you need to select Give Game Feedback. Step 6. In the feedback options, choose Too Many Notifications. Step 7. Type in the specific problem you are facing. Be detailed. Step 8. Finally, click on Submit to send your feedback. By following these simple steps, you can help improve the gaming experience for yourself and others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful